Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to backup and restore our Thunderbird email with all the settings. So first of all, you need to open your Thunderbird and then we will click here on this icon, settings icon. Now we will click on account settings and then we will go inside server settings. At the bottom of server settings, you can see message storage. Now click on the browse icon here and now we need to copy this URL. And before copying the message or all our emails, we need to close the Thunderbird. It will not corrupt our file. Now we need to open a browser or a file browser and paste our link here and click on enter. It will open the folder, but you need to click here on profile and then you can see two folders, a default folder and default release folder. Now we need to copy this default release folder and we are going to paste it on our desktop. Now we are going to restore Thunderbird email with all the settings on a new system. Okay, so first of all, you need to install Thunderbird on your system. You can download Thunderbird installer from Thunderbird website. Now I am installing the Thunderbird. Click on next. Leave it standard selected. Now click on next and click on install. My Thunderbird is installed here, as you can see. As you can see right now, there is not any email configured in our Thunderbird. So we are going to click on the close icon and now we will close it here and we will open our file browser and we are going to type here percentage app data percentage and click on enter. Here we can see Thunderbird folder. Now click on Thunderbird folder and go inside profiles and again you can see two folders here, default and default release. We need to transfer all our files inside this folder. So first of all, we are going to copy files from our backup. Now we need to select all the files and click on copy and we will come inside the app data folder and again we will select default release and we will paste our files here. It will replace all the file. Click on replace and we are done. Now I'm going to open my Thunderbird. As you can see my email here. Now we are going to send an email just to check if it is working or not. So I'm sending a email to myself. And as you can see, Thunderbird is sending the email successfully and we are done. Thank you.